Today is an exciting day for me because today is the first day that I got my Gamer Girl box. It's Loot Crate for nerdy girls. So I am very excited. This is the September box, and the theme is enemies. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So cute. So cute and little, and look. Gamer Girl September 2015 enemies. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, you get all these cute little thingies, like a little bag and something World of Warcraft related. Yes. These are banners. Ooh, okay. So let's open our little golden bag. Oh, excited. Yes, this is what I was hoping. When I saw that it was going to be enemies, I was like, I really hope these earrings come. And they are here. Piranha plant earrings. These homemade piranha plant earrings will bring tears of joy to anyone that sees them. Made with stainless steel posts and invincible star power for safety. Oh, awesome! I was so looking forward to this. I was like, this is enemies. If these earrings, I've wanted these earrings for so long. If these earrings are not in here, I will be very upset. So, am I wearing earrings? No. So I can put them on right now. Show them off. It's really cool that these things are handmade too. You know that some love was put into them. Oh, so cool. Ah, so cool. Oh, very awesome. Ooh. First one. All right, second one is a creeper necklace. So awesome. I was really into Minecraft in the alpha, and now it's getting like crazy big, but this is so cute. Love it. I'm just gonna put everything on just so it look like really like decked out. Sweet. So just like garlic fends off vampires, this creeper necklace should keep you safe just long enough to dig yourself a cozy 2x1 hole in the ground to get you through the long, terrifying night. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, just get on my neck. Just get on my neck. And then we can continue. Okay. And next, we have Kingdom Hearts Heartless Bracelet. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Show your infinite love for Kingdom Hearts with this bracelet featuring symbol of the Heartless, everyone's favorite manifestations of the darkness inside everyone. So nice. Eek. Okay, these are, oh, this is gonna be a pain to put on. I have fat wrists. Awesome so far. Cool. And we also get a pin. I think you get a pin every month. Gamer Girl Monthly. August. Oh, this is August box. August box, not September. August 2015 enemies. Though I think this is September. I'm not sure. Before I post this, I will confirm. What is pin on? Pin on, yes. And it all comes in this cute little bag. Love it. The last and final thing, which is really awesome, are World of Warcraft Horde and Alliance gym bags. Awesome. Are you Horde? Are you Alliance? No matter what your preference is, we have you covered. Use these bags to carry or store anything, especially your newest loot. Oh! I'm gonna give my boy, I play Alliance. My boyfriend plays Horde. So, this will be awesome. Wanna take a look? Let's take a look. They're so cute in their bag. I was like, should I just not take it out? Should I just leave it? Very, yeah, this is not gonna even stay with me. He's gonna see this and just instantly take it. Have it. And yes, love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was a lot of fun, and I look forward to opening up more Gamer Girl monthly boxes in the future. I really can't wait to see what they have in store. If you want to see those videos as well as anything else to come in the future on this channel, hit subscribe down below. Bye!